In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write short LinkedIn posts with AI using Writesonic. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to log in. Head over to Writesonic.com and sign into your account. This is the gateway to accessing all the incredible tools that Writesonic offers. Once you're logged in, the next thing you want to do is access ChatSonic. This is a special tool located on your dashboard. It's important to choose this over the basic generators because ChatSonic provides you with better control over your post's tone, style, and overall structure. Now that you're in ChatSonic, it's time to draft a specific prompt. Here's where you'll get to guide the AI effectively. Start by entering a clear prompt that will help shape your post. Your prompt should include a length constraint, so remember to specify that your post should be under 120 words. Next, clearly state the topic and audience. This means letting the AI know what your post is about and who it's aimed at. This clarity will ensure that the content is relevant and targeted. Then, set the tone. For LinkedIn, it's best to choose a professional but conversational tone. This strikes a balance between being credible while also being approachable, which is crucial for engaging your audience. Now let's talk about structure requirements. Request to include a strong hook in the first line to grab attention immediately. Also, ask for short sentences for readability, one actionable insight that adds value, and an engaging question at the end to encourage your readers to comment. After you've entered your prompt, click the Generate button. This will produce the first draft of your post. Take a moment to review it. If the first draft feels too generic, that's perfectly okay. You can ask ChatSonic to refine it. You might want to prompt it to be bolder, more scroll-stopping, or even tighter, perhaps under 100 words. This refinement process is key because you want the final output to resonate specifically with your brand's voice. Once the tone and specificity match your requirements, congratulations! Your post is ready to go. You can simply copy it and share it on LinkedIn. Remember, the goal is to create posts that are engaging and impactful, so don't rush through the refining stage. Take the time to ensure that it truly reflects your style and the message you want to convey. Thanks for watching. Implement these steps to elevate your LinkedIn presence with quality posts crafted using AI. Happy writing!